the sternocleidomastoid muscle. The origin is right here, and the insertion is right here. Trapezius origin is right here, 66. The occipital belly, the epicranius occipital belly is right here, and the insertion is above. The epicranius frontal belly origin is right here, and the insertion is below. Orbicularis oculi, origin is right here, and the insertion is right here. The corrugator supercilii, origin and insertion. Orbicularis oris, origin and insertion. The buccinator origin and the insertion. The riscerus origin is right here, and the insertion is right here. The orbicularis origin is right here, and the insertion is right here. Levitator labii superioris, the origin is right here, and the insertion is right here. The levitator labii superioris alicae nasi, origin, insertion. Zygomaticus major, origin, and insertion. 76 Zygomaticus minor, in origin and insertion. 77 Levitator anguli oris, origin and insertion. Depressor anguli oris, origin and insertion. Depressor labii inferioris, origin and insertion. Mentalis, origin and insertion. Platysma, insertion and another insertion. Masseter, origin and insertion. Temporalis, origin and insertion. 84 origin and insertion. 85 lateral pterygoid, origin and insertion. Another insertion. It's right here. Digastric anterior belly, origin, insertion. Posterior belly, insertion and origin. Mylohyoid, insertion and origin. Stylohyoid, origin and insertion. 89 geniohyoid, origin and insertion. Sternothyroid, origin and insertion. Sternohyoid, origin and insertion. Homohyoid inferior belly, origin and insertion. Homohyoid superior belly, origin and insertion. Thyrohyoid, origin and insertion. Genioglossus, origin and insertion and another insertion. 95 Styloglossus, origin and insertion. Stylopharyngeus, origin. Superior pharyngeal constrictor, origin, another origin, and insertion. 98 middle pharyngeal constrictor, origin and insertion. 99 inferior pharyngeal constrictor, origin and insertion. Palatoglossus, 100. Origin and insertion. Palatopharyngeus, origin. 102. Levitator veli palatini, origin and insertion. Tensor veli palatini. 104. Muscle of the uvula. Pterygomandibular raphe, origin, insertion. 106. Median pharyngeal raphe, median palatine raphe, 107. And then the intermediate tendon. The TMJ joint capsule is right here. The TMJ ligament is right here. And on the side, right here. 109, the sphenomandibular ligament is right here and right here. The stylomandibular ligament is right here.